change Google Play Store region and currency. 4 easy methods. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Android tutorials. If your Google Play Store region or currency is incorrect, here are 4 easy and safe methods to fix it. No risky tricks. Method 1. Update your Google Play Store app. Open Play Store, tap your profile photo, go to Settings, and make sure the app is fully updated. New region settings only appear on the latest version. Method 2. Change your Play Store country via payments. Go to Play Store Settings, General, Account and Device Preferences. If eligible, you'll see an option to change country. Add a local payment method for that country to confirm the change. Method 3. Clear Play Store cache. Go to Phone Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage, Clear Cache. Restart your phone and reopen the Play Store. Method 4. Check your Google account country. Visit Google Payments profile and make sure your country matches the region you want. The Play Store currency follows your Google account location. Pro tip: you can only change your Play Store country once every 12 months, so choose carefully before switching. That's it. Now you know how to change your Google Play Store region and currency safely. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment "Done" below.